Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We have a quick unboxing today. Just gonna go through a few things that just came in today from Protinger Toys. So I had a few cars that I've been eyeing for a while, so I finally pulled the trigger. So this is a big box. There's several cars, some that I'm not gonna show right now, something else that I'm gonna be doing with those, but let's get going and see most of the cars that I'm gonna be showing here today. So alright, just go through and make a good list. Alright, let's see. Looks like we have a few things, so let me move the box out of the way. Okay, I know there's a couple things again that I mentioned that I'm not gonna be showing right now, but ooh, nicely packed. So here's one. Okay. Alright, let's see. And here is number 2 and number 3. As you can see, they're all Ninco. So let's look inside and show them really quickly, and of course I will do a proper test drive of these cars. So let's start with the first one here, and it's an Ninco, as you guys can see, and it is, oh, this is looking really nice. It's an Ninco, look like it had the Pro Chalk. Okay, this is the Ford Focus. Munchis is the 08. So I'll need to review a few things about this car. I'm not super familiar with the gear that it ran and all that. Not sure, looks like it might be 4-wheel drive. We have the Pro Chalk, so we'll see when we get it open. All right, then we have this other one I had on the card for a long time, and it's gonna be a first for the rally collection, and the car is a Porsche. So this is a Porsche 911 Rally with the, keep knocking the camera, with the Pirelli livery, and that's the P911 P911 Germany Rally Pirelli number 50256. So this is let's see, it has the NC2 motor, it has 4-wheel drive, so this definitely has a 4-wheel drive. Roll, I wonder if that was the roll that ran this on the German rally circuit. Looks pretty nice, very nice. All right, and last but not least, let's open. We have another rally car from Ninco, and this is another Fiat. All right, so we have the Fiat Punto Super 1600 Dallavilla number 50294, and it's similar to the other Fiat that for Ninco that we have here. So it's basically a running mate for this little guy. So this was the special edition from 03, and this guy is, well, really nice looking Fiat Punto Super 1600. And I want to go over a little bit more about those rally categories. I mean, we always see the big car, the Group B, the super monster car that ran in the 80s, but there were many other categories during the 90s and 2000s that were also really fun. And this car, I have to check which rally was really participating in. Most of these Fiat, and they were part of the German, like this little Citroen Saxo that was part of the German rally championship. So there were different kind, but they were all about the same category basically. And then there was a Super 2000, which is a larger engine and all that. So all right, guys, thanks for your time. Hopefully you enjoy this quick unboxing. I'm definitely gonna be doing some reviews, and well, keep you guys posted because there's the individual reviews for each vehicle. Okay, thanks again for your time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions, and until next time, bye.